Saki G, let's go in.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I'm a lady aged 32 years and need your help. A few years ago, my boyfriend of 3 years bought me a car on my birthday. It was a Mercedes-Benz. I was so happy because that same day he proposed and I said yes. However, the unfortunate happened. He was involved in a car accident coming from Bulawayo on business. Ndakatombogara 2 years ndisina kupinda mu new relationship. That time, my now husband was asking me out, ndichiramba, telling him I'm not yet ready. Takaita a whole year tichishamwaridzana. And I said yes 2024. We dated for close to a year and he married me. So my hot topic is, my husband shared his discomfort panyaya yemota yandakatengerwa, and he suggested we do a swap and top. He kept saying, unoda kuti ndinzwe sei uchiramba uchishandisa a car from an ex aida kukurora. Ini I saw nothing wrong with continuing to use the car, but semunari marriage, I compromised because I could see that my husband was not happy ninyaya yemota. So I trusted him to do the deal, and I am disappointed to tell you that he sold the car and bought me a Honda Vezel instead, which was a downgrade from the car I had and does not make sense since pasina change yandakapio. So I sat him down to ask what happened, and he tried so hard to convince me, saying, this one is easy to maintain and more ideal for a lady, unlike the Mercedes. Dakacha nazo kuti Benz ndiyo irikunzi aite. I asked about the money, and he said, irikuya. That was in February, and nanasi aisati yawe. Pakutanga ndaibvunza ndonzi next week. Now ndikabvunza anoti, komota hauna ere. I feel played, and I'm thinking of informing his relatives, anatete, to help, otherwise zvinogona kungorova. Ndinenge ndatadza ere dare. Please help me. Yo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Yeah. Our hot topic for today, powered by Inbox, the future of money. Ndimidari redu, muchatitongera nyaya a lady, she's 32, tsanangurira, zvakaitika. Ndikuona ma messages atotanga kupinda, but regati dai titore ma calls, then we will come back to your messages.